Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading all the newspaper article. This is our today article. Top most among 27 killed in Chhattisgarh. Woods of complete security personnel after an anti-Naxal operation in Buster region. File photo. Our government is committed to eliminating the menace of Moism, say Prime Minister Shubhome Sikdar. Raipur 27 most including Nambala Keshav Rao, Alais Basavaraju, General Secretary of the Banned Communist Party of India, Mois were gunned down in an anti-Naxal operation in Narayanpur district of Chhattisgarh on Wednesday. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said, reiterating the central resolve to eliminate Naxalism by March 2026. A member of the District Reserve Guard DRG of Buxar was also killed, while a few others sustained injury. The police added. A senior police officer said that Maos opened fire on DRG teams during an operation in the Abuj Med area. A large unsurvived jungle area spread across Narayanpur, Dantawada, and Bijaypur districts of the Bastar region in the state. The operation, the police added, was launched following intelligence input about the presence of Central Committee and Politburo member as well as senior MAD division cadre and PLGA address. Chhattisgarh Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sharma said a search had been going on in the regions of 50 hours during which the encounter took place. Big achievement describing Basa Vadraju as the backbone of the Naxal movement. Mr. Shah in post on X said the operation, which took place in the border regions of the Narayanpur, Bijapur, and Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh Bastar region, was a landmark achievement. Today, our security forces have neutralized 27 dreaded most, including Nambala Keshav Rao, alias Basa Varju, the General Secretary of CPI Most and the backbone of the Naxal movement, Mr. Shah said. The Central Committee (CC) is the main political wing and the highest decision-making body of the CPI Most, and Basavaraju was its third member to have been killed this year. In April, Prayag Manji alias Vivek was killed in Jharkhand, while Ramchandra Reddy, Gary Pratap Reddy alias Chalapathy was killed in Chhattisgarh, Garia one district along the Odisha border in January. This is the first time in 3 decades of Bharat battle against Naxalism that a General Secretary ranked leader has been neutralized by our forces. I applaud our brave security forces and agency for this major breakthrough. Also glad to share that after completion of Operation Black Forest, 54 Naxalis have been arrested and 84 Naxalis have surrendered in Chhattisgarh, Telangana, and Maharashtra. The Modi government is resolved to eliminate Naxalism before the 31st of March 2026. He added. Prime Minister Narendra Modi responded Mr. Shah posts with a message proud of our forces for this remarkable success. Our government is committed to eliminating the menace of Moism and ensuring a life of peace and progress for our people. In a post on X, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Vishnu Deosai said that despite difficult geographical conditions and many challenges, this decisive operation against left-wing extremism was being carried out with full commitment and determination by the DRG unit of Chhattisgarh Police in Narayanpur. Major blow to Moist. According to police, Basavaraju had taken over the reins of the CPI Most in 2018. RK Vij, a retired Director General rank IPS officer of the Chhattisgarh cadre, said the Basavaraju killing was a major blow to the Most movement. The General Secretary is the top rank in the Most hierarchy and they are guarded by armed cadre carrying sophisticated weapons. So if he has been gunned down, those lower down the hierarchy will feel more vulnerable. Secondly, they will have to soon elect a few leaders, said Mr. Vij, who has headed the Naxal operation wing of the Chhattisgarh police in the past. The latest operation comes close on the heels of another major one along the Kari Gutta Hills in Bijapur. The one Mr. Shah referred to in his post on X, in which 31 Maoists were killed. That 21-day long operation concluded on May 11, and officer has claimed that it resulted in the topmost leader becoming the dislocated from their safe hideout in inaccessible hill terrain. A Chhattisgarh government official added that from December 1st, 2023 to 20 May 2025, 401 Naxals were killed in the state, while 1355 surrendered. One DRG member also killed and a few other injuries during the encounter in Buxar region. Basava Raju, General Secretary of CPI Maus, is the third member of the organization top body to be killed this year. Now we start our daily English practice session. This is our English practice session. Now your English. K. Subramaniam S. Upendra. Continue from last week. Here are some other view on follower. A classic among English dictionary British book news. This literally gold my medical news mentions of the name of defender of English bring me to follower whose modern English uses made him the greatest champion and paladin of them all. Teacher world flow. Fowler was no great grammarian, still less a linguistic in the modern sense. Dolph Curic. This guide is neither complete or very systematic. Jan G. Olson. Fowler was a prospective grammarian. He was a linguistic judge. He was interested in telling us what educated Englishmen wrote and wanted us to follow a good model. He criticized solely English. He was and still is linked by people who are interested in good English. Fowler, a dictionary of modern English usage published in 1926, is still looked on as the Bible of English usage by some people without realizing that the language is not static. All the same, he continued to be the usage guru for a lot of people in India and abroad. Keeping in view the changes that had taken place in the language since the publication of the Dictionary of Modern English Usage, Mr. Ernest Scholar, a civil servant, was asked to revise the dictionary and revise the edition was published in 1965 under implement. This is what H.W. Fowler says: implement and see noun verb and assent. The verb meaning to carry out a contract, and a company in chiefly Scotch newspaper usually like the following cannot be acquitted of the charge of pedantry, but is come after long and disastrous delay, which have greatly lowered the prestige of the allies, diminished their chance of getting their peace term implemented by an authority that can speak for Russia. Increased taxation will be inevitable. Is labor promises to the electorate are to be implemented. A corresponding has favored me with the following quotation: David Irving, Elements of English Composition, 11th 1841, to implement had significance to fulfill, is likewise derived from the barbarous jargons of the Scottish Six Bar. The revised version by Cowles is the following: implement and we see noun and verb assent. The verb meaning to carry out a contract, etc., is a Scottish organ. The following quotation is from Elements of English Composition to imply implement significance to fulfill is likewise derived from the barbarian jargons of the Scottish Six War. As recently as 1933, the SOED still called the world chief Scottish. Since then, it has taken England by storm and become almost a vogue world, and politicians, officials, and the press undertaking recommendation, promises, and obligations are never now fulfilled or carried out or kept or observed or performed or discharged. Implemented must always be the word. An associational change would be refreshing. Published in the Hindu on August 18, 1996. So guys, this is our daily quiz. The United Nations declare May 22 of each year to be celebrated as the International Day for Biological Diversity. Quiz yourself on various facts about biodiversity. Rachel Abraham made this quiz. Question number 1. The variety of life found on Earth, ranging from bacteria to plants and animals, is called biological diversity or biodiversity. Name the person who coined this term and the year it was coined in. Name the multilateral treaty that operate under the framework of the UN to conserve the biodiversity and to find sustainable use of natural resources. Question number 3. Approximately how many special species on Earth have been discovered and documented? Question number 4. The closer a region is to X, the more the biodiversity. What is the X? The dash and ocean and the dash ocean have the most diverse marine ecosystem. Fill in the blank. Question number 6. The simplest way to measure the biodiversity is through what? Question number 7. What are the reasons? What are the most biological rich yet threatened by human habitations? Call which country has the most of this reason in the highest biodiversity index? Question number 8. Species that are unique to a certain geographic area and that are not naturally occurring anywhere else are termed dash. Fill in the blank. Visual question. Picture the is the man credited with coming up with the simplest way to measure biodiversity. What is his name? Question answer to the previous day quiz. The Rajiv Gandhi assassination occurred as a result of suicide bombing in this state, Tamil Nadu. Bombing was carried out by the person whose real name was this Kalyani Rajartham. The commission was formed to look into the security lab that contributed to the killing of Rajiv Gandhi. J.S. Verma Commission. The site where Rajiv Gandhi was community is known by the name Veer Bhumi. The CBI and the SAIT and the Supreme Court confirmed the primary role of his organization in the assassination. LTTA. On November 11, 2022, the Supreme Court ordered the release of these many convicts. Answer 6. Visual. Identify this movie from the poster Madras Cafe. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.